Right here on our way down, shooting down Austin, Texas for the South by Southwest event. One of the biggest events in Texas. That's all we do is big events, man. Every time it's gonna be a big event, you're gonna see Weed World there. And my boy Q nailed the bra last night so bad she came in the house so thick last night. Gave a nigga some head. Rub the leopards. Get the leopard. Rub the bitches. Gave a nigga some head and rub the shoes. But that's how we rock it, man.
Diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like
We're going out here from South by Southwest 2014. You know what I'm saying? Holla at us, you know what I'm saying? 2015. I'm going to come pushing y'all. I'm pushing pops already. Rap Life for life. I'm pretty sure.
What up, fool? You know we out with Weed World Candy. It's a Good Life music group all the way in Austin, Texas, South by Southwest. I see these boys in Atlanta. I can see these boys everywhere. So you know we out here getting it like always. Let's do it. Good life.
What we do, baby? It's your boy Lambo, Weed World, Phone the Money. We down here in Austin, Texas, getting it in South by Southwest. Right here in Colorado and Fifth. Work to get a picture of that Colorado. Get the fuck with Austin, South by Southwest.
We're out here in Austin, Texas at the Southwest Convention. We're out here doing the Weed World. Shout out to the Weed World Candies. Weed World Candies. Weed World.
10 karat trauma make you put your cross up. From coming down, pop trucks around and coming down in them foreigns. Purple label rap Lauren, now with Big Creek we touring. So though when I'm on the road, you know I like to party. I've been drinking drink since you was drinking 40s. Been thugging, can't nobody tell me nothing. I've been a grown man since I had to start hustling. A pool full of them pints of that purple. We pull up, I smoking. Cup full of, I'm leaning.
I got a pint full of purple, I'm a cruising it. Get it, hugging on them corners like a fitted. Sipping on that batch that got me itching. Rolling up that stank got me looking fake busy. Shout out to my city, I'm all about that H. Like that Hermes on her waist. Lil' mama know my taste, she been trying to sip a case. I just really need an 8. I remember paying $15 for an ace. Now that shit is out of rate. Make my homies send a package out of state. On the sneak shit, I'm waiting on the mailman as we speak. Me and Charlotte sipping oil, it got me going straight to sleep. It's ironic, we in dreams, try to do this every week. Lil' J with me, couple straight 50s, 20s on the bottom. We could clean a baby bottle in an hour, get you shouted. I bet she being outed. I'm about to make a chillin' poet for me.
What you doing? Pool full of them pints of that purple. We pull up, I smoking. Cup full of, I'm leaning.
Codeine connoisseur, cup muddy like a sewer. 20-ounce vanilla cream, mix it with a 4. I done muddied every single soda in the store. I've been drinking for 50 days straight like it's a tour. Sipping till I snore, wake up and sip some more. Straight to the medulla, I don't measure, I just pour. Doty in the cabinet and some swishers in the drawer. And my maid come tomorrow, you can ash it on the floor. I'll be leaning like a seesaw, throw like Clayton Kershaw.
Weed World.
My mom told me that I needed to try it before I got it. Swear to God.
Slanging cannabis candy. That's all we know, baby. I gotta get some hard grind. That's an easy come up. Call a hell of a hustle. We ain't turning in tonight. Just empty this whole box. Check this out. See this box? This box like 6 feet tall. We finna empty this whole box tonight. That's how serious this shit is. You know what I'm saying? Legalize this shit. Getting it in, baby. Y'all stay tuned. Welcome to Weed World, baby. 2014.